Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and today I have this Marantz NR1510, and this is a 5-channel surround receiver. It's 50 watts per channel, so let's go ahead and open the box and see what it comes with. So first things first, we have our good old-fashioned manual. Come with every one. And then let's see, what do we got in this first bag here? We have some Bluetooth Wi-Fi adapter antennas that go on the back side. And what else do we got here? We got the AM, FM antenna. And cool thing about Marantz, guys, that I like is they all come with these labels. So you can see that they have labels for all your inputs, all your outputs, your speakers, even some monitor outs. All right. And then we have, what is this? Limited lifetime warranty stuff here. Yeah. I'll never read none of those. I think this particular model has like a 3-year warranty on it through the manufacturer. So with that being said, that's the warranty on it, 3 years. Let's go ahead and throw all this back in here. And let's see what else we got. So another cool thing they send with you is a nice little stand that'll allow you to do your microphone setup. And here we got the microphone. And it's an Odyssey microphone. I'll pull it out. You can see it comes with a pretty good length of cable. And that's just the microphone right there. And that's my dog. She won't hush. Alright, so it's the microphone. And then we have the Marantz remote. This remote, I think there is a light button to actually make the lighted looking buttons light up. Not too much use out of this. Once we program it, usually, and have them set up, there's some sort of a system controlling it. So we don't ever really use this remote. It does work very well though. And you get some batteries. And they always have them labeled, the styrofoam inside. So if you ever have to package it back up. Let's set that over here on the dog. All right. Go ahead and wrap it. And this is the slim line, so it's a lot slimmer than a lot of receivers. And we got our power cable. So as we take a look at the back, we have 5 HDMI inputs, 1 HDMI output. You have your 5 speaker posts. And then you have 2 subwoofer outputs, your front and left and right pre-out. You have a few coaxial inputs. You have a remote in and out for control systems. And another thing that this one has that is kind of going out is an optical for TV audio. If anybody these days is doing it, you're going to use this ARC port through your HDMI. If your TV doesn't support it, run that optical though. And you know, just for a backup purpose, you can run the optical as well, but you're not going to use it. If you want the full features, you're going to use your ARC port. So let's spin this puppy around. And if you take a look right here, it's got a nice front face to it. Most Marantzes these days have this same exact look. Even the bigger models, they just look a little bigger. So you can see it's a 5.2. That means 5 listening speakers, 2 subs. And it also tells you that there's 100 watts, 5 channels. So if you take a look at the bottom here, you can see how well they put these things together. And you do have an extra HDMI on the front. All right. So, I think there's not much more to talk about. Like I said, this is a basic 5.1 surround sound systems type setup receiver. So this application right here would be great for a living room, or maybe even a small media room. Most of the time you would, in a media room, like to go with more speakers, 7.1 system with Atmos possibly, or there's other options. Remember to like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time. Have a great choice day.